brain rot. Ooh, I have brain rot. What do you think it means? I have brain rot. Ooh.
မင်္ဂလာပါမကြီးမုံရဲ့ English အစီအစဉ်ကကြိုဆိုပါတယ် Burglish ကလည်းကြိုဆိုပါတယ် Burglish ဆိုတာဗမာစကားနဲ့ English စကားကိုရောပြီးအခါကျတော့ Burglish လို့ခေါ်တယ်
Hey everybody, today we are going to talk about the latest and the coolest, most used slang of 2024. Okay? So what do you think they are? ဒီနေ့ကတော့ဂျေမွန်တို့ကဒီဘန်စကားတွေအကြောင်းပြောမယ်ဘယ်ဘန်စကားစကားလုံးတွေကိုလူတွေကသုံးတယ်လို့အရန်သုံးတယ်လို့2024ခုနှစ်မှာလေ2024မှာအဲ့စကားစုတွေအကြောင်းပြောမယ်နော် What do you think those words are? Brain rot. Ooh, I have brain rot. What do you think it means? I have brain rot. Ooh. Okay, here's an example. I was watching videos all night on the internet and on social media that I have brain rot. It means when you're on the internet or social media too much that you have brain rot, that you're, I wouldn't say less intelligent, but it just means that you're, you need to relax. I have brain rot. Ooh, like it's too much. Brain rotဆိုတာအုံနောက်ကနည်းနည်းတုံးနေတယ်လို့အဲ့လိုမျိုးပြောလို့ရတယ်။အုံနောက်ကနည်းနည်းလေးပုတ်သွားတယ်လို့အဲ့direct အဓိပ္ပာယ်လေ။ဒါပေမဲ့ပြောနေတာကတော့ internet ပေါ်မှာ social media မှာအရန်အကြာကြီးနေရင်အကြာကြီးစကားပြောရင်တကယ်ချင်းနေနဲ့ videos တွေအများကြီးကြည့်ရင် brain rot လို့ရှိတယ်လို့ပြောနိုင်တယ်။ Brat Summer. So after singer Charlie XCX's album came out, everybody started using the word Brat Summer. I had a Brat Summer. So when you say that you had a Brat Summer, you're saying that, you know, you had a cool, carefree summer. Brat just means, in this slang, it means carefree, fun, just cool, okay? But the real brat meaning, you know, when we used to call people brat, it means a child who behaves badly. Oh, he's such a brat. You know, so spoiled, such a brat, does whatever they want. So Brat Summer became really popular in 2024. Okay, so Brat Summer 2024ခုနှစ်မှာ Brat ကအဲ့စကားလုံးအားလုံးသုံးနေတာဘာဖြစ်လို့လဲဆိုတော့တချင်းဆိုတော့ Charlie XCX ကသူ့ရဲ့ album ကသူတခုတချင်းဆိုတဲ့ Brat ပါတယ်အဲ့ Brat အဓိပ္ပာယ်ကတော့ရမ်းမိုက်တယ်เนาะဘယ်သူမှဂရုမစိုက်ဘူး you know ဟိုလှုပ်ချင်တာလှုပ်တယ်เนาะ Brat Summer ဆိုတာနွေရာသီမှာဆိုရင် you know လူတွေက vacation holiday တွေသွားရင်ဟိုသူတို့ကပြောတယ် oh Brat Summer အရင်မိုက်တဲ့ summer မိုက်တဲ့အားလရက်เนาะမိုက်တဲ့ vacation တွေ holiday ကိုသွားတယ်and so Brat actually before this slang it means you know မကောင်းတဲ့ကလေးလေးဆိုးတဲ့ကလေးလေး brat ကအဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ် So my favorite slang word of 2024 was demure. To be demure and mindful. And it became popular because of a TikTok creator, Jules LeBron, who had said, did I say his name wrong? Yeah, Jules LeBron, who had said she tries to be demure and mindful when she goes to work or doing everyday things. And I think we can all learn from that. And that means for me, it's to be quiet, to be calm, to be classy, to be respectful. Okay, to be classy, demure. So, Jason Zagalong Banzagara, demure, a demure, mindful, you know, or classy, you know, thikashira. Yeah, elegant, thikashira. She's so demure. I want to be like her. She's so demure and mindful and classy. Very demure. And so that word demure actually reminds me of the Burmese phrase, know your three shadows. So it's a very famous Burmese proverb. I'm still trying to know what the three shadows are, but I think it means know your time, situation, and place. Jimoado a demure banzaga a de beado a yitomban zagazuna a yan similar piete lo jimontina no pathusoa a yitomba tiame that Jimo a pa me pure they a yitomba soe Jimoa a miedame yin chichina tuare alone the dina ginina. Sigalone 4. Word 4. Riz. Riz is short for charisma. Remember? We went over this too. Charisma, Riz. Riz just means that they have charm. Like, they're sweet. They can talk to people. Attractive. There's something attractive about them. They've got Riz. They've got swag. They've got something. Okay, so Riz is Rizga charisma ye adogout. No, charisma ye adepeado. Swesa mushida, attraction, attractive, chore, swesa mushida, tukushida. No, zaga yam pyo gaune, ludena, kaite, no, ludena, didu zaga pyo naine. You know, very, very charming. Riz. Do you have Riz? Do you know anybody with Riz? Okay, last word, YAPP. YAPP, or yapper, right? He's such a yapper. YAPP just means you talk so much, or they're talking so much. We talk so much, no? And it's really about like small fun topics. They yapping. Oh, they were just yapping, right? Oh, we were yapping for hours, catching up, talking about the movies, yapping. We were yapping. Yappera, piore lude, no? It's just the people who are talking. Yapper. He's such a yapper. Actually, fun fact, YAPP was actually the most used slang word in 2024. YAPP. Now I'm going to stop yapping, but write in the comments below what your favorite slang word was for 2024, or which one do you like. And also try using these slang words with your friends. No, di banzgaleo zgaloneo tangenjinina zgapyochi blamiole lo the chineo natawe yoshinichien these banzgaleo le punlight. No, like catch some slang words so you can start acting like a native speaker, or you can start speaking more native English, more like a native. When you're watching movies, when you're listening to songs, listen to these slang words. See if it makes sense to you, and then you'll be speaking like a native speaker in no time. So be demure and confident.